Hello, my name is Ravi Kumar and I am a medical student. Today I will be performing the breast examination. So before we start, I want to make sure that you are comfortable with this. So do you have any question or concern about this? So I will examine your breast for checking the any lumps or any abnormalities. And this examination include the looking and the feeling of your breast. So for the examination, you have to undress yourself till the waist. For general inspection, you have to sit on the edge of the bed with your hand relaxed on your thighs. So I have to note any changes on your breast, any obvious masses, any skin changes, any asymmetry. To place your hand behind your hips and push inward. If there is any mass noted, then observe if the mass is move with the pectoralis muscle or not. Then next you have to place your hand behind your head and inspect the breast for any masses. Now you have to place your hand behind your head and lean forward. Inspect the breast tissue for any masses, any asymmetry or any dimpling. For palpitation, I have to ensure that my hands are warm before touching the patient. Position the patient lying flat on the bed and her hand behind her heads. So, ma'am, can you please lay down? And so first I will examine the nipple examination. Squeeze the nipple gently to check any discharge. Note the color, amount, odor and consistency of the discharge. Now examine the breast tissues. There are different methods to examine the breast tissue. Cloak face method, examine each arch of the breast. Spiral method, start at the nipple and then work outward in a concentric circular motion. Third is the vertical strip method. Breast is divided into series of the vertical strips, each of which evaluate in a sequentially moving lateral to the medial. Fourth is the P method. Breast is divided into series of the P type of the slices and with the nipple at the center. Start at the nipple and working outward toward the periphery of the P slice. Out of the 4 examination, we examine with the spiral method. For the spiral method, use 3 fingers pad and of one hand and compress the breast tissue against the chest wall and feel any masses. So we are going to compress the chest. Push downward using a circular motion. Apply a steady pressure pushing down to the level of the chest wall. Apply steady pressure pushing down to the level of the chest wall till here, like this. Apply enough pressure to palpate the level 3 depth. First is the superficial, then medium, then chest wall. If a mass is palpate, describe according to the following characteristics. Position, according to the quadrant, according to the cloak face metaphor or how far it is from the nipple. Size and the shape, approximate dimension, spherical, irregular. Consistency, smooth, firm, stony, rubbery, spongy. Mobility, fluctuance, overlying the skin changes. Examine the axilla. Palpate the axilla with free hand, ensuring to cover all the areas of the axilla, medially, laterally, anteriorly. Then apex of the axilla. Now, after the examining one side of the axilla, we have to move on the other side to proceed the other examination. Now, perform the general lymph node examination of the following areas: cervical, supraclavicular, infraclavicular, now parasternal, this one. After breast examination, we have to cover the patient with blanket. Allow the patient to dress up. I have completed the examination. It seems normal, but I recommend you to do the self examination regularly, and if you see any changes in your breast, then report me. And if you have any concern or questions about our examination, then ask me. Thank you for your cooperation.